To another episode of Cooking with David in the Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how I made this pumpkin cake with frosting on top of that cheesecake frost or cheese cream frosting. Anyway, okay, first thing we need is 1 stick of melted butter into the processor. Alright, 1 full can of pure pumpkin and not pumpkin peeled. We can't have no sugar or something that's already made for pies. It's got to be pure pumpkin without any sugar added. Turn this on. We'll come back when we get all blended up. Sugar are splendid. Next, we're going to turn this right here on. You can't hardly see that, so I'll just kind of turn it up a little more. So what you want to do is you're going to get that sugar real mixed into that real good. Turn it up a little higher. We'll come back in a few minutes when this is done. A spoon of vanilla extract, a spoon of almond extract, that's optional, which is recommended. Then 3 eggs. We're going to do 1 at a time. That's 1. That's 3. That's 2. 1 more. That's 3. 3 to 4 cups of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie mix. Next, you want 1 cup of flour, and now you just gotta smooth this here out real good. We'll pop it in the oven. Okay, make sure you have this paper around it, parchment paper around it, keep it from sticking. Anyway, we'll put this into the oven. Look at the cake before we put icing on it. I just want to see what it looked like before we left the icing. It's got a little bit of a crack, but that ain't no big deal. Ain't nothing the icing won't cover up. It ain't that bad of a crack anyways. But anyways, we're going to get started on putting the ice. You're going to add a 8-ounce stick of cream cheese. This will make the good frosting. And we're going to whip this along. Do is start by turning the blade on. Whisking this real good. Alright, a little higher. We'll come back when it gets real. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, we're going to add in banana extract. Then a 1/2 stick of butter softened. And you want to make sure your cream cheese is cold. You want it kind of a little harder. Alright, we'll come back when we get done with this. Let's start by putting the frosting on it. That icing topped pumpkin pie cake. We're gonna cut into this thing. We're gonna cut right down into this thing right here. There's our frosty pumpkin pie cake, and we're gonna do a taste test on this. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Oh my god. That is delicious. That is very delicious. Kind of a moist cake. You know, dense cake, so moist, but still delicious. Anyways, watch this video, make this recipe, and if you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell next to it so you get all the notification videos. Anyway, y'all have a blessed day.